Can you get cash out from your home loan, and how does this work? If you're thinking of renovating, putting a new kitchen in, or maybe a swimming pool, accessing the equity that you've accrued in your property might be the way to go. This is also known as a cash out refinancing option. In today's video, we're going to discuss what cash out refinancing is, when it's advisable to get cash out, and what some of the risks might be. Let's jump in. So, what is a cash out refinancing loan? Cash out refinancing is when you refinance your existing loan, drawing against the equity in your property to borrow more than you currently owe. The funds can be released into an offset account, a bank account, or a line of credit. So how does it work, and how much cash can you actually get out? The amount that you're able to access will differ from person to person, and it will depend on how much equity you have in your property. Say you bought a property 10 years ago for $500,000. That property is now worth $700,000, and there is a $400,000 home loan still owing. That would mean that you have $300,000 in equity. Most lenders will allow you to borrow up to 80% of the property value. 80% of $700,000 is $560,000. Now, once you've deducted the $400,000 that you owe on your home loan, that would leave you with $160,000 in equity. Now, if your property has gone down in value over the last few years, the chances are that you won't be able to get cash out until your property's loan amount is lower than 80% of the property value. If you're cashing out more than $10,000, many lenders will want to see evidence of where those funds are going. Many lenders place restrictions on cash out refinances. This is due to the risk that the equity released isn't used for its intended purpose. So what are the reasons for cash out refinancing? There are many reasons why people will get cash out. The most common is for renovations. It is important to note, however, if you're making any structural changes to your property, so if you're knocking out a wall, adding a story, or adding a granny flat, for example, this would be a construction loan and can't be accessed through a cash out option. Tapping into your home equity to make value-added home improvements or repairs could be less expensive than other financing options, such as credit cards or personal loans that tend to have a higher interest rate. But there are risks involved with cash out refinancing that you might want to avoid. As your home is collateral for your loan, you risk losing your property if you default on your repayments. By cashing out to pay off a credit card, you're paying off unsecured debt with a secured debt, which can be risky. This could also enable bad habits, as you may be tempted to run up credit card debt again. Don't fall into the trap of using your home loan as a piggy bank to help fund lavish vacations and purchases. Another scenario in which you might want to avoid cash out refinancing is if your current home loan is on a fixed interest rate. If your home loan is currently fixed, your cash out refinance will come with a break fee. This is a fee that's charged by lenders when you decide to refinance before the term has expired. Depending on where you are in the fixed term and what the new interest rate will be, a break cost could range anywhere from a few $100s up to thousands. Although paying a break fee is not ideal, sometimes the savings that you'll make by reducing your interest rate will negate the break cost. Now, it's important to speak to a home loan specialist to find out if it's financially beneficial for you to break your home loan. So, how long does it normally take to get cash out? Now, similar to any refinance process, a cash out refinance will take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, and the funds will be deposited into your account upon settlement. Now, if you're thinking of renovating and interested in a cash out, please jump onto lendy.com.au. Our online home loan platform compares rates from over 30 different banks and lenders, and we have home loan specialists on hand to help you every step of the way. So that's it, guys, everything you need to know about cash out refinancing. If you're looking for more information on refinancing, you can check out our video here, where we explain the steps in more detail. See you next time.